Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh, and you're watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Here's a look at today's top stories. In a significant announcement today, the Union Budget 2025 has allocated Rs 3,412.82 crore to the Ministry of Environment, marking a 9% increase from last year. The additional funds will focus on boosting wildlife protection, forest conservation, and ecosystem restoration, reflecting the government's growing commitment to environmental sustainability. In tragic news, the Prayagraj Mahakumbh stampede has claimed the lives of 30 people, including 11 devotees from Bihar. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has expressed his condolences and announced an ex gratia compensation of Rs 2 lakh for each victim's family. Additionally, Rs 50,000 will be provided to each injured person from Bihar. Moving to the Union Budget 2025, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has introduced initiatives aimed at benefiting gig workers. The new budget includes the introduction of identity cards for gig workers and healthcare coverage under the PM Jan Arogya Yojana, a major step towards recognizing the contributions of this workforce. In other news, businessman Dinesh Nandwana, the promoter and chairman emeritus of Vakrangi Limited, has passed away during an enforcement directorate search in Mumbai. The family has stated that his death was due to stress and underlying health issues, with no foul play suspected. In the transportation sector, Indian Railways has maintained its capital expenditure for FY26 at Rs 2.52 lakh crore, focusing on improving safety, electrification, and modernizing infrastructure. No new initiatives have been announced in the Union Budget 2025-26 for the railways. Continuing with the Union Budget 2025, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman also announced tax relief for individuals earning up to Rs 12 lakh, which has raised some questions regarding the new tax slab structure. While the rebate system has been highlighted, there is some confusion, and further clarification is awaited. On a lighter note, former Pakistan cricketer Basit Ali has expressed his awe at Virat Kohli's massive fan base, especially during a recent Ranji Trophy match in Delhi. He remarked that the craze for the Indian cricket star is unmatched, even trending across Pakistan. In preparation for the Mahakumbh Mela 2025, airlines have announced a reduction in fares by up to 50% for pilgrims traveling to Prayagraj. This move follows government directives aimed at making air travel more affordable for the devotees attending the event. Finally, in political news, 8 Aam Aadmi Party (AAP) MLAs have resigned ahead of the upcoming Delhi elections, citing concerns over corruption and leadership issues within the party. Their sudden departure has raised eyebrows, as it could have an impact on the upcoming elections. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for joining us on Channel 6 Network.